Hi everyone, myself Soumen Samanto. I would like to say something about the human value and its requirement in present educational system. Human values cannot be described or defined in a sentence. In every aspects of life, we have to abide by some ethical pathway. Human values includes morals, integrity, truthfulness and trustworthiness, caring, kindness, courage, sharing, time management, cooperation, commitment, self confidence, spirituality, and community service. Human values are guidelines for our success, our paradigm about what is acceptable. Values are set of principles of standard behavioral patterns. The word value is derived from the Latin root valere. It means to be strong and vigorous. To be of value is to have a certain virtue. Thus, literary meaning of value is something that has a price, something that is precious, dear, and worthwhile, something one is ready to suffer for and sacrifice for. Values give meaning and strength to the person's character by occupying center space in his life. Values permeate the whole of human existence and are a major factor in determining what sort of human beings they are and how they will behave. Once Swami Vivekananda said, education is the manifestation of the perfection already present in human being. Thus, value education is the need of the hour. Value education means inculcating in students a sense of humanism, a deep concern of well-being of individuals and society as a whole. This task can be accomplished only when inculcation of students at school and higher levels of education towards commitment of values is undertaken. Value education aims at teaching students preserve whatever worthwhile we have inherited from our culture and develop social, moral, aesthetic values which are often overlooked in formal education. Once Swami Vivekananda said, we need man making and nation building education. Value education discards imposition and indoctrination. It aims at transformation of corrupted mind to positive thinking individuals. A mind with higher capacity to perceive dynamism and capable of higher level of sensitivity. The present education system is highly mechanical. It is a race for both parents and students, and the educators further add fuel to fire. Most of the educational institutions are the profit making concerned with pompous classroom and decked up teachers. These structures can hardly impart knowledge to students that makes him or her self sufficient enough to identify his or her place in the community. Students are by and large depriving of the root that makes them strong individual and responsible citizens. Our educational system should focus moral and spiritual foundation of students which alone can mold the future of the nation. According to Swami Vivekananda, if we want to make our students as a moral human being, school curriculum is one of the best ways to serve the purpose because he thinks that a value based school curriculum can enhance the moral values of a student. Knowledge gained in school is only one goal of education. The primary goal of education should be enabling students to gain knowledge and moral values. Our kids will need both in preparing themselves to be good parents and citizens in society. He suggested some important moral values which should be included in our school curriculum. Some of these are unconditional love and kindness, honesty, hard work, respect for others, cooperation, compassion, forgiveness. If all parents were teaching their children moral values in the home, it would not be necessary for the schools to do this work. The sad fact is that a lot of kids are not learning from their parents the difference between right and wrong. This is because most mothers and fathers in their busy work days spend only a few hours with their children. In many families, there is only one parent and no other role models for kids to follow. The significance of moral values in our life is very important. Moral values teach us what is right and what is wrong. Thus, we can sail through in a right direction. We can realize what is good or evil. This type of learning helps us to conduct our life morally in this world. Human values cannot be forced, even if conveyed with good intentions. Education is the deliberate and systematic influence exerted by the mature person upon the immature through instruction, discipline, and harmonious development of physical, intellectual, aesthetic, social, and spiritual powers of the human beings. Much has been expected from modern education system, but we have seen everything turned upside down by it. Modern education has taught us to fly like a bird and swim like a fish, but it has failed to teach us live like a human being. It has made human beings selfish. Most crimes and injustices are being committed by these who are educated. It is the educated looting the country. The number of people who are committing suicides and suffering from mental illness is more these days. An education should provide and develop human values in the society. Therefore, to fortify the values in education through the value education, Swami Vivekananda's words should not be forgotten. Arise, awake, and stop till the goal are achieved. Thank you.